So this central bank is monitors all other commercial banks. It only manages the currency, money supply and the interest rate. We will go for the next function of a central bank. This commercial bank was first commenced in the year April 1935. According to the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, all the shares are divided into each share is rupees 100 rupees only. ஒரு ஷேரோட வேல்யூ வந்து 100 rupees. Fully it should be paid. Next, after independence, this 1947, after the independence, this RBI was nationalized in the 1st January 1949. This is a symbol of a RBI. Next, monetary authority function. First function is that. That means this RBI is controlled all the supply of money. Why? Means they have to stabilize the exchange rate and the balance of payment. They have to control the inflation so that they can strengthen the banking systems. ரேட் ஓவராக இல்லாமல் கம்மியாக, அதாவது லெஸ்ஸராக ஆகாமல் ஸ்டேபிளைஸ் ஈக்குவலாக with any harmful to the society because of the price rate. Other manage they wanted to and control it. No, that is the Reserve Bank monitors, look afters. Next, issue of a currency. This RBI only the it gives a currency notes and credit system of a country. It is a sole authority, only authority to issue the currency note, not any other banks. If they give other banks, mean that is a fake note, we can consider it as. Next, issue of a banking license. Issue of banking, this is the RBI according to the section 22 of Banking Regulation Act. Every bank, it should be have a license that should be given by the RBI. Next is bankers to the government. This RBI is giving bank loans to the government, short term and also long term loans for the debt of outstanding debts. If anything, they can give the credit facility to the government, and also advise the government in a banking and a financial subject. Also the RBI is giving to the government of India. Next is bankers to the bank. Individual, whoever we are common people, will go and buy the credit from the bank. The bank will, எங்க பேங்க் போய் யார்கிட்ட வாங்குவாங்கன்னா, bank will go and buy with the RBI. பேங்க்குக்கு லோன் வேணும்னா RBI கிட்ட வாங்குவோம். That's what the meaning. Bankers to the bank. And they will get discount, re-discount a bill also they will be done. Next, lender of last resort. Means any other bank, it's a no, it's going in a crisis, loss, anything, means the RBI, we can get the help or a credit from the RBI with the collateral security. We have to give the collateral security and get the loan from the RBI. Next, it acts as a clearing house. It's having a 14 clearing house. RBI manages 14 clearing house for the exchange of instrument. That means if you're dealing with the foreign countries of a currencies, that dealings can be clearing that debt or transformation of funds can be done by this RBI. Next, custodian of a foreign exchange, means FORX, that is meaning the custody that in Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, Act of 1919 in RBI, buys and sell the foreign currency to maintain the rate of Indian rupees versus foreign countries. To we can see the dollar rate is equal to 76 rupees of Indian value. $1 is equal to 76 or 80 rupees. You can say daily it can be changed. So to maintain that one, the government of India buy and sell the foreign currencies. Next, regular of economy. So it monitors or GDP and inflation to control the stabilized price level in the economy. Next comes managing government securities means it give the investment to the government securities, and also assets and liabilities of a government securities it can manage, and it can give the special minimum proportion of the total assets and liability to the government securities. That means it can give the investment on the government projects. That's what they meant to do. Next, regulator and the supervisor of a payment and settlement system. That means it's an act of a 2007 PSS Act of RBI. That means payment and settlement system. That was a PSS. According to this, any settlement in the foreign country or inside the country with a safe, secured manner, we can give the settlement with the development and functioning of a safe. It should not have any misunderstanding between the banks or with the dealings with the foreign countries. So that it gives a regular and supervision of payment and settlements. Next, development role. So this RBI also give the credit facility to the productive sectors. That means it can be included an institution with the building of infrastructures for the development economy, and also it can give the credit expansion to the education purpose, to have a higher literacy rate. For that also the RBI is giving a loan to the government. Next, publisher of monetary data and other data. That means it can collect the data and formulate the policies, everything evaluated, all the policies in India. Then RBI collects all the collated and publish the data. RBI in magazines, everything on that they will publish. Next, the exchange of managing control. That means this RBI is a member representative of India to the IMF. So the IMF is in the sense the International Monetary Fund, and the International Monetary Fund RBI also member on behalf of our India. It will the member of a IMF and authorized dealer of on the base of other commercial bank. No, this RBI act as authorizing dealers. Next, banking ombudsman schemes. According to this one, any that scheme act of 1995. So any complaint on the any other bank means you can give the complaint on online. You can appeal the amendment against the any other decision of the bank. Also you can give the complaint. Next, bank codes and the standard board. This banking codes standard based on the global practice, whatever the internationally they are practicing, no, that according to that one RBI also set up the banking codes, and the standard board of India on base of that codes have been established. You can see the, if you want to buy in the Amazon, and then codes will be scanned, that international level they have did it. So these are all about the function